Ikaw, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Good morning, Philippines!
Luto tayo ng breakfast. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan, mga kaigan. Hindi ko alam kung asan yung tripod ko. Nasa taas ata. Nasa filming room ko. Ang lulutuin ko ngayong umaga is egg and ito. Kung kukuha kayo nito, and then kakain kayo nito, huwag ninyong ramihan, mga 3 o 2, okay na kayo. Kasi parang ang daming salt. Yan ako makita hindi ko gusto sa oven. Kaya ganito ako pag may makita, linisin. Ngayon guys is Tuesday. Kailangan namin pumunta every Tuesday naman talaga. Yan, ito siya. Oh. Masarap ito guys. Then mag-toast ako ng bread. Yun lang din coffee. Yun lang muna ito. Naano ako kagabi kasi 3 o'clock guys. 3 o'clock ng gabi, 3 o'clock, 11 o'clock, tumawag yung kapatid ni Tami. Natakot ako. Yung isang kapatid nila na tumawag. So, akala ko naluta. So, yun, after nagising ako and then nagising din si Tami. Ayaw ko nang matulog ulit. Kala ko kung ano nang tinatawag nila. Yun pala, nagchika-chika lang that time. Kaloka talaga. Kailangan kong bumalik naman sa Walmart. May snow daw, sabi pa. So, yun, tignan natin kung ano talaga. Kasi sabi pa may snow. Ano bang dalhin ko? I need to bring something. Alis kami soon. Mag-ano pa si Tami. Nanigarilyo sa labas. Anyway, alis kami very soon. I need to double up. Ilak natin ito kasi yung pusa mahiling laro dyan. Ito. Bagong laba to, ang bango. Ngayon daw yung yung delivery ng ko, yung tablecloth. Sana okay yung tablecloth na in-order ko sa Amazon. Ang hirap ng table na to, ang sobrang taas. Ito siya guys, yung napanalunan namin. Dapat kahapon namin ito kinuha or kiniklim namin. Pero hapon kasi may mga kaganapan sa isang bahay na natagalan si Tami, kaya hindi namin And I think Thursday namin ito kukunin. I-claim namin ito Thursday. Sana walang snow kasi sabi may snow daw, ganun. So sana wala. Snow ka rin. Hi baby! You look so good, love. Ready na yan siya, guys. Hindi yan susuotin niya. Ang nakaano ngayon, guys, dahil nag-change na yung hour, mga 4:30, mga 5, sobrang dilim na. So, kailangan natin i-on ang light dito. Ito siya. And then, i-off itong dalawa. Ganon. Watch out, Matay. That's the car that's always looking in here. Stopping.
I see people on Ring talking about cars always sitting in front looking, even though around dead-end street and crap.
Yeah, that's the car that I told you that scares me. That's the thing. He stopped over here and then looking, and then it's like they're two old guys.
Oh. Well, they're all funny. That don't bother me.
Huh?
Yeah, that don't bother me. That's my freaking trick. Why would that bother me?
Not yet.
Yes, yet. Drive.
Not yet.
Drive.
Not yet, big boy. Please. When are you gonna cut the grass? It's your time to cut it.
I think we try out of the way so I can get all 4 lights working. But I ain't. Not that we need any more light for that fixture. The fixture's way over. Way too much light.
Hala, I did this, hon.
Oh, you did the wrong one. Oh.
What is that?
That brings it up in the back. Like this. It still has air.
Okay.
The
Good.
put a I'm wondering that, that light fixture over the laundry room.
Yeah.
That's a lot of light if all 4 bulbs are working. I mean, it's pretty bright with only the 2 bulbs, right? FedEx, you want to stop and turn around and go? We'll just sit out there all day, rain. Okay.
Where are you looking, really?
No, it's from USPS.
Okay. Did you receive
I'm
any?
not sure which address for this for their show.
Amazon. Anyway, guys, so it's Christmas, right? My brother used my sister's Facebook Messenger and sent me a message this morning saying he pretend that he is my sister. He said, "Ate, Gonggong want bike for Christmas. He's the only one doesn't have a bike in the school." And he said, "Poor Gonggong," doing like that. He pretend that he is my sister. And then I said, "No." Because my brother have an accident, guys, of a motorcycle a few days ago. So I said, "No, look at Long Long. He's in an accident. I don't want that happen to him too." And he replied, "Hey, this is Gong Gong for Christmas Day." I'm afraid, guys, if like might have an accident, because kids using bike.
Hon, you can't deprive a kid of a bicycle because you're afraid. Well, you might as well just lock him in his room.
Han, if it's accident, that's not good, Han.
No, hon. Kids all over the world been using bicycles since long before you were born.
What?
And yeah, every once in a while something will happen, but for the most part, it's part of being a kid.
No.
Yeah, no, hon, you can't be overprotective. That's stupid.
My brother had an accident, guys, and it's not really good. Luckily, his
First of all, it was a motorcycle accident. That's first. Second, it was a motorcycle he didn't know, and potentially a faulty motorcycle.
Yeah.
According to what you tell me, there was a problem with the motorcycle.
Yeah, luckily his head is not in.
Third, he wasn't even driving. He was sitting on it and parked, and the thing just decided to jump up and go. According to what you tell me.
Yeah.
How accurate is this stuff? I don't know. So how are you using that as a reference point for not getting a bicycle for your little brother?
So I told my little brother, guys. Hold on, guys. Does that make that? Okay. You have to wait. They said, "Send me a pictures of yours, like begging, like want a bike." Okay, guys, I will put all the pictures
No, what
here.
do you tell him first?
Oh, I tell him first, I will give you a bike if your friend. Guys, he's 15 years old.
So what? Huh? It's not right.
I said, and he said, "Promise me." He said, "Promise me, I don't have a girlfriend." And I said, "Okay, send me a pictures of yours, like that you really want a bike." And then he sent me pictures.
You know what? You better get a bike now.
No, Juan.
Yes, you told him he needs to do that to get a bike. He did it. Now you don't want to get on the bike? No, hon.
You need to wait for Christmas. It's a Christmas gift.
Right, but you better make sure you get it. You better make sure you make arrangements with your sister to pick it up and get a nice bike and make sure it's there and it's a surprise that he doesn't see it ahead of time.
No, it's a Christmas gift, and it's not like I want a baby bike.
Baby bike.
He is taller than everybody, guys, in our family, and I want him to have a baby bike, like a 3 wheels bike, 4 wheels.
It's called a tricycle, and no,
Yeah.
you're not gonna get him that.
With a training wheel.
You're embarrassing. What do you want him to get beat up every day in school? Really? What do you want?
He's our youngest, guys, and we all told him that he is not our brother because he looked like different from us. He is looked like my grandfather who passed away, my father's father. So he looked like him.
He changed a lot since I was there.
I know, he was very
He
little,
got
man.
a little mustache growing.
Yeah, he do that because he wanna be a big guy.
That's right.
When first time we met him, he was like 2 years old, something.
Oh, he's older than that.
No, he was very small. I know, probably like
How old is he now?
15. It's like Thomas, and
Right. So,
Thomas is like
so he's-
2010. How old Thomas? 2000.
I
He's
don't know.
like 1 year older, Thomas.
So Thomas is what? 13, 14, so if he's 15, so he was 5 years old when I met him. 2 years
But he
old.
was very small, right? It's so hot with
This
that
is the
thing.
things that you do not do to your brothers and sisters, okay guys? Don't turn around and make them make deals. No, if you want this, you have to do this.
It's funny. It's
Give it
funny.
to them from
Are
your
you kidding
heart.
me?
Give it to them from your heart. You want them to have it because you want for them.
No, he was he was pretending that she is my sister, and he said, "Poor Gonggong." He said,
Because he didn't want to ask himself. It was like embarrassing. So he figured if your sister asked for him, it won't be embarrassing.
I'm just worried, guys. I look at my brother. Look at my brother's picture right now, guys. It's like scary. You don't even see it yet, right? Scary. Tree, guys, look at that leaves. If that's going to fall, that's a mess. It's a big leaves.
Yeah, but look how they crumble up like that.
Yeah, look how big. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
I heard you don't feel right Saturday.
Yeah, I didn't feel that well that day. But,
So now you're good. You're okay.
yeah, I'm fine.
Don't rub your eyes. It start red again.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't rub it. The other one is still red.
that's what they tell me.
Yeah, and then the other one is start already because you keep rubbing it.
Everybody thinks I've been hit in the eye.
Yeah. Nagluto si Tami ng egg sandwich. Kinain ko yung isa. Say, salamat. Salamat.
Salama?
Do you know what is salamat?
Salami.
No, salami.
Salamat. Tami, why you say the salami? Salamat, uy. You know salamat? Right?
No, I don't know.
Spanish. Salamat.
I don't recognize.
What is the Spanish thank you?
Gracias.
Ay, gracias.
Gracias.
Oh my God, I thought it's salami. Tami said salami. Gracias. Talk to me in Spanish.
Talk to you in Spanish?
Yeah, and I will talk to you in my dialect. Okay.
Oh,
You say it. Yeah. Hold on now. Oh, I like that. That's new.
No, it's part of it. I just don't know. I know you had to pull
I thought this is... I never see this one.
No, we never use it.
Oh,
I don't want it to get ruined.
that's why it's like never used. Look.
Yeah, you can put a thing on it.
Huh? Ting a ting?
Either way, it's extra calories.
Yeah. Talk to me in Spanish.
talk to you in Spanish.
Yeah, anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Ahorita.
Okay lang.
So you answer the same.
Yeah, in my dialect. Keep talking Spanish.
Mhm.
Keep talking Spanish. Yeah, talk to me like you were talking to me.
Okay. What can I tell you? Were you going out today?
Spanish. Spanish only.
You have salad or oil?
Uy, taka raman ka diha. Uy,
Oil.
ano bang sinasabi mo, uy? You said oy, right?
Oil today.
That's today, oy.
Oil.
Ah, we have oy too.
Oh, you have the oil too?
Oh, it's just expression. Uy. We have oy expression. I said Spanish.
In Spanish.
Yeah. You're Spanish. I'm Spanish.
You're Spanish?
Spanish. Spanish.
Spanish.
No, Nash. Spanish.
Spanish. What is that?
You are Spanish, right?
I'm Spanish.
Yeah. I am Spanish.
Hispano.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same thing.
I'm just joking. Naniwala, guys. Naniwala.
¿Cómo está?
Okay lang.
I'll get the same
Ikaw.
answer all the time.
Ikaw, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Kumusta ang buhay-buhay? Kumusta ang buhay natin?
Muy bien, gracias.
What is that in English?
Didn't
No.
read that one.
What is that in... I know Gracia.
Yeah, you know, gracias.
Yeah.
And muy bien is very good.
Okay.
Very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every
Well, you also have to teach. I'll have to teach you not Spanish.
Spanish.
Spanish. Well, yeah. Wow, that's a new thing.
What new thing?
That little
Flip?
flick up. Huh?
Flip camera?
Yeah, I never saw that.
Yeah, what happened to your eyes?
What happened?
Look at your eyes. Look at your eyes.
My eyes are wanting to leave me.
Yeah, but look at your eyes. That's you.
That's me.
Yeah. Who you think it is?
I wish it was somebody else.
There you go.
Sandwich.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Okay, eat your lunch. That's your lunch.
That's my lunch.
Yeah.
So goodbye.